Hi, this is Harsh,
Hi, this is Mavra.
and AVS starts right now.
Hi, I'm Sunny Deol, and AVS starts right now.
It's sunny side up at the movies this weekend. Hey everyone, I'm Joya Das. Ghayal once again opens up where the prequel left off 26 years ago. And for a change, Ajay Mehra stays in character. Crime fighting, passionate, and still angry. Sunny Deol's character emerges from over a decade of incarceration, but his past comes back to haunt him again and again.
It is a film which really set me rolling as a producer and made me bring into the world the belief I have in cinema. Because this was a film which, as a project, nobody wanted to do. When it came to me, Raj Santoshi also was brand new, and the producers, everybody ran away who brought him along to me. He went away, and then I was hunting around for a producer. Nobody wanted to produce at that moment. So that was the beginning of me actually getting into production. And then definitely when the film was done, after that I had a lot of battle because it had a definite kind of a cinema, the way we were looking at it. And people were trying to guide us, let's add this to it, let's add that to it. But Raj and I, we stuck to a thing what we had in our mind, and I said, let us do this film, let it release. After that, if it doesn't work, at least I know my vision was not right. I shouldn't have done it. But then it turned out to be, this film spoke for itself, and it went where the film needed to go, and it took us along with it. So similarly, then I was always very excited because that time cinema in USA and all the other places, Hollywood was basically making a lot of part ones, part twos, part threes. And I also wanted to do that. But unfortunately, that time in Hindi, we were not doing such things. And when later on we started doing our part ones and twos, ever since then I've been trying to hunt for a story, a director to make this film. But somehow it has happened now. So again, this time also I'm looking at a cinema which I believe in, and hoping that it'll make me again believe whether my belief today, what is in cinema, is I'm right or wrong, basically.
मुंबई से बाहर निकलने वाले सारे रास्ते पे नाकाबंदी लगा दो। अजय मेहरा मुंबईच्या बाहेर निघाला नाही पाहिजे।
इस बार उसने डायरेक्ट मुंबई पुलिस को चैलेंज किया है। अब अजय मेहरा ने सरेंडर नहीं किया तो मारा जाएगा।
And you've always believed in larger-than-life cinema. What is your take on the current trend in cinema nowadays?
Well, there's nothing wrong with the trend or not the trend. We can't criticize the trend or anything anytime, whenever it is there, whichever year we go by, because that is what we are basically. That's how people want to see cinema, and that's how cinema is being made. So that is there. Yeah, but because I've done cinema before and I'm still into it, so obviously I find it a little different to what kind of cinema we were basically portraying initially. But coming back to the common sense, I mean, it's like food. If people love the food, so you make that kind of a flavor, basically.
अगर हम सच के साथ हैं, तो हमें जीतने तक हार नहीं माननी चाहिए.
The action in the film. You have hired a Hollywood action director to direct the action sequence in the film.
Now the action has become so much larger than life that I needed a second unit director, they call it, or the action coordinator from abroad, so that I could bring out how I had brought out in that Ghayal the reality of the fights which happen. It's not that one man hits and 10 people fall, but it has to be thrilling, it has to be entertaining. So I brought in Dan Bradley, who's done films like Bourne Ultimatums and loads of those kind of cinema which he's been popular for, and I'm sure the youth has seen that and they love the way he does it. So I wanted to bring that into my film. Film required realistic kind of action, so I brought him in.
Which is your most favorite dialogue ever?
I can't say anything which is favorite because those dialogues had a meaning. It was character speaking at that situation to defend himself. It was not that those dialogues were written and and made to fit into the sequence. It wasn't like that. So it is very difficult because all those were different characters I was portraying. So each had its own innocence and its own beauty.
चड्ढा समझाओ इसे, समझाओ। ऐसे खिलौने बाजार में बहुत बिकते हैं, मगर इसे खेलने के लिए जो जिगर चाहिए ना, वो दुनिया के किसी बाजार में नहीं बिकता। मर्द उसे लेकर पैदा होता है, और जब ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ किसी पर पड़ता है ना, तो आदमी उठता नहीं, उठ जाता है।
And is there any director which you wish to work in today's time?
I've basically worked with a lot of new directors who then became very big directors, and definitely I would like to see if I can get some more new, younger lot of directors which want to progress or want to move ahead, definitely.
And which actress from the current lot? That's what the youngsters want to know.
But I don't know what the current lot youngsters are liking, because if I portray myself working with any of those girls, then they're saying, she's so young, how can you do that?
And before we let you go, please give a message to your viewers that what is it that they should expect from the film and why should they watch the film?
Well, they can expect a good cinema out there, that I can promise you. I'm happy with what I have done. So it's very important when a director makes what and is pleased with the output, and it turns out to be. If they have loved Ghayal, I'm sure they will like this film.
खुद पहला कदम उठा, खुद अपनी कसम तो खा, तुझको